Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced Python Programming. Today I will be discussing about installation of MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. Here, while installation of MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server, the required softwares that we need are we need MySQL Server. uh, Here the system that I'm using is 64-bit, so I'm going to use installer 64-bit. Here I have given the URL of the page from where you can download. Secondly, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed latest supported version. It requires while installation of MySQL Workbench. And third file that we need, that is MySQL Workbench 64-bit. Here also I have given you the URL of page from where you can download it. Now to install MySQL Server MSI 64-bit, open in browser this link or URL that I have given. You need to open in browser and then you are going to download this whatever I have shown. So it will be like this, MySQL community downloads. In that you can click here, no thanks, just start my download. Is this clear? Now I will show you how to do this. Here we will type MySQL Server download. Then it will go here on this page. So we will click on this. It will take us to this page, MySQL MSI installer. Okay, and from this you can download it. Okay, so this is MySQL community server. That is what you are going to download. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download this. Now we will download our second required file, that is C++ redistributable and MySQL Workbench. Same again in Google we will type. So let's say Google, it's my default search engine, so I will type here MySQL Workbench download. So it will go to this MySQL website, download MySQL Workbench. Then this is what the MySQL Workbench 8.0.34. so we will download this 64-bit MSI. Okay, installer, click on this download, the download will start. Okay, so you can click on this, you will get a message that is no thanks, just start my downloads. So when you will click on this, your download will start. I have already downloaded, so I am not going to do this task again. Okay, second is I have done. And now C++ redistributable. So it will show you the latest supported C++ redistributable download. So you need to go to this page and then download it. So from here you can download. So this is what I have downloaded, vc_redist.x64exe. so this is what you have to download. See these three files that I have, that is MySQL Server, Workbench and redistributable. When we need this redistributable file, that I will show at the time of installation of MySQL Workbench. Initially I begin my installation with MySQL Server. So let's start with this. Double click on this. It will do all the preparation to install and everything. So see here, this application requires Visual Studio 2009 redistributable. Please install the redistributable, then run the installer again. So okay, finish. That's it. So to install MySQL Workbench and Server, we need this redistributable. So now I'm going to run this. So I accept the terms, Microsoft Visual C++, okay, redistributable. I agree the license and conditions. So I said install. once it got installed, we will be able to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. Setup successful, close. Now we will go to the server, double click on the server, and now it will not give that error to us. Now it will ask us to install. We say next, accept the terms and license, next, typical, then install. It will take some time and we will be with SQL Server. Now the setup has completed the MySQL Server setup, and now we can say finish. But before finish, we will click this because we have to configure the MySQL. Alright, so as soon as you complete the setup, don't forget to configure MySQL. Okay, so I said finish. After clicking on finish, it is giving me MySQL configurator screen. So here I need to click on next. Then it is going to ask me to put some values. So here no need to type anything. TCP IP port, export, development computer, that everything is same that we want, that we don't want to change any values here. Okay, directly we will say next. Then MySQL root password, that is what we have to set. So you can set any password that you want. So I'm just setting 1234 1234. That's it. Now I'm not going to add anything, no user I'm going to add. I'm just going to click on next. Then Windows service name MySQL 81, start MySQL servers at startup. So whether you want to start at system startup or not, that is in your hand. So I don't want to start it at system startup. Whenever I'm going to start it, it should start. Okay, so I just unchecked it. So I need standard system account. So whatever is the default values, that is what I'm keeping. Only I'm not starting MySQL server at system startup. Okay, that is what one thing that I'm changing here. I said next. Then yes, I want to have full grant access. So I'm not changing anything from here. Okay, so I'm putting the same thing here. Next. Now I want all these databases. Okay, so I checked all the databases here, and now all these things I need to execute. So I'm going to click on this execute button. It will take some time, so let's wait for some time, and all these steps will took place or execute one by one. Steps are now executed, and last we will get message here as the configuration for MySQL server was successful. Click finish to continue. So we will click on next, and then we will click on finish. So no need to do anything here. We will just click on finish. So now we have completed two activities, that is installation of redistributable and now installation of server. Now we need to install the MySQL Workbench. So let's click on this MySQL Workbench. So whatever setup wizard we have, we need to just click on next, next, next. So next, next, we want complete setup. So next, then click on install, and it will take some time. So just wait for installation of MySQL Workbench. Now the setup wizard is completed. We will click on finish. Here we have installed all required applications to do the database connectivity. Now we will click in the type and search, that is Workbench. It will show us that is MySQL Workbench 8.0. We will click on this. It will show us a home page of Workbench. As I have already used this MySQL Workbench, it is showing me the previous connections that I have created. For new time users, this will be the blank one. So here we have installed all prerequisite for performing database connectivity with MySQL with Python. In next video tutorial, I will be giving you demonstration of how to access database, MySQL database using Python. Thank you for watching this video.